Okay, here's my question for today. I decided to take my S160 drone and remove its collision avoidance sensor. See, took it off. Goes right there on the top. And I decided to remove its camera. See, there's the camera. I'm not sure if that right there has anything to do with the transmitter to the deal, right? But I thought I'd give this a shot, you know, and we'll go ahead and we'll plug the battery in and we'll set it down here and we'll, it turns on. Check that out. It does. It flies. Without its sensor, without the camera, without the... But it doesn't want to stay in position very well. It has no clue where it is. But that doesn't stop it from being a drone that flies, right? And then if you choose to land again, uh-oh. It doesn't like that very much, but... Oh, see, yeah. Kind of hard to control if it doesn't have the sensors, right? But... See, with no computerized input, it's all on the user to keep it flying good and straight, and however the heck. Keeping yourself oriented is kind of hard when you spin it around, you know, like, it's best to operate it when it's, you know, obviously in the same orientation to you know, left is left, right is right, you know, because if you spin it around and left and right is left and left is right and forward is back, then you can get awful confused really quickly, and yeah. Isn't that interesting? So it does, it flies without the sensors, but it's temperamental here. See, it doesn't want to stay at a set height, it doesn't want to stay in a set place, it just drifts around like crazy, but that's interesting. Flies without the... It hates for landing without the sensor because, of course, it doesn't know where the ground is. See? It doesn't know where the ground is, so it's like, oh no! But that's pretty cool, huh? Lights, no lights. Lights, no lights. Off we go! This way! Up, 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 up! Hit! Oh! Oh, what a shame! I'm injured! I'm injured! Who cares? I guess that's enough for now. But anywho, I mean, that's pretty interesting. I took the camera out. Obviously, that's not a very good camera. I mean, the image quality sucked anyway. But it does have like some sort of sensor in it right down here that does actually do a job, you know, in keeping its position. I don't think this had anything to do with that, you know, freaking, and it drifting, whatever, you know, but that's the point is, you know, I mean, why not, you know, freaking play around with these things and, whatever. Anywho, you know, but yeah, I mean, that's pretty cool, you know, like freaking who knew that you know, like you start taking stuff off them and they still fly. You know, so maybe there is something, you know, like I don't know why in the heck they don't make, you know, better cameras that you could, you know, or whatever. Anywho, but a little experimentation goes a long way, I guess. You know, I love experimentation. I mean, I think of things and I have to try them. Don't know why, just the way I am. But anywho, you know, that's it for this video. If you like, don't forget to subscribe, like, all the other things, you know, the buttons, always click the buttons. Choose another video, watch another video. I'm going to be here. I'm going to make more. See you later.